Good morning, everyone, and welcome back. My name is Leslie. If you haven't been here before, you've wandered across my little corner of the internet. Um, I got a great surprise in the mail. Well, I mean, I expect it each month, but I always enjoy opening it. It's always like a treat, something that I do just for myself. So let's have a look down here at this happy mail and we'll see what we got. This is my pink and main box. Of course, it's for crafting. Um, and it came in the mail the other day. And so we're going to open it together. The only thing I have done with it so far is simply add the tag to the front of the bag, which I will tell you about. So it comes in a nice sturdy box, has lovely tissue paper. I keep both in a little storage spot here in the studio, and they make perfect gift items, like to put your gifts into. They're perfect. And a great size for those of us mailing items. So this is the November 2025 package. And I was upstairs with my phone and decided that I needed to make the label because I would forget. So, some of you have asked if I am still enjoying my Mung Bing printer, and I really am. It makes great tags, and I can do it from upstairs in my room when the thought comes into my head, which is perfect. So, what came? Well, first of all, these came first. This was the stamp and die club for November. And they were, uh, which one is this? It does not tell us the name. They were not together like this, they were in separate packages. I packaged them together. So here we have a sick little guy, an owl reading in bed. Looks like a love bug, maybe, having a drink, an elephant who's going traveling, and a hippo. No, not a hippo, a bear, maybe, that is doing some fishing. So that's awesome. And of course, you get the dies to cut them out. So that's even better. So I loved that. And I thought, oh, I'm so excited for that thing. So let's see what goes with it. First of all, we have here some rub-ons. Don't stand in your own way. All things are possible. You never try, you never know. And a few other cute little sayings, some flowers, some geometrics. Very nice. Now, what was this one called? Bright Encouragement Rub Ons. Perfect for doing scrapbooking, right? So let's put that in there. And then we have On My Mind. And these are You've Been on My Mind, wishing you the very best. I'm so proud of you. I miss your beautiful smile. Happy birthday, my friend. And sending hugs, love and hugs. I really like that. It kind of covers everything. Now, this is gorgeous. Look at these. Aren't those pretty? I love the shine to them. There are so many colors in there. Oh, and then have something here that we haven't had in a while, glitter enamel, and it's called The Bright Side. I like that. Seems to be all about the geometrics in this one. This one is the Sparkles 6x6 embossing folder. Oh, isn't that beautiful? That one really is going to be And then we have, what's this one here? The Bright Side patterned paper. Oh my, busy, busy, busy. So here are the patterns, but I will take a quick second and open this up to show you. I always keep this because sometimes I simply need a little square. I don't need the big piece, and I will actually use this, guys. So here we go. These are our examples. And the only thing that I wish they did different with their paper was make it two-sided, right? But that's okay. I really enjoy their papers. So there's those ones. And then we have them in a different shade. Look at that. Look at that rainbow of yumminess. There is so much in here. So 4, 8, 12 sheets. And I believe we have the size on here. See if I'm right. Yeah, 8.5 by 5.5. So perfect for card making. Even better for scrapbooking. So we have all of that to play with to make cards. And then we, of course, got our papers. So let's see. Where is the handy sheet paper? It's right there. For our papers, we have, what's this one? Sunny Sky. Oh my! Pink glitter cardstock. And for those of you wondering, rub as hard as you can. Glitter does not come off. I love their glitter paper. Then we have wildflowers. We have barbershop. Oops. We have school bus. And we have, oh, this is an extra silver glitter cardstock. Let's do this. Let me see. Wow. Could you ever make a glittery card with that, huh? That one would really stand out. Now we've been talking and talking about these items and making cards. And they have included something in this bag that has made me so excited. It was in here, but I have not looked at it. It is a horizontal step card die. So you put, it looks confusing, I know, but work with me here. You take this, which is the frame of the card, and you cut it out, and then you have all these additions that you can put on it to make the different cards or different types of cards, like your birthdays and your anniversaries and stuff. But the basic is just simply a step card. And I love this. Lots of people can do it on electronic machines. You can definitely make them with scissors. But I love the thought that now I just run it through my machine one time and the whole card is cut out and I can just go ahead and add my elements. This is exciting, except I labeled my envelope wrong. So I will be removing that label and replacing it. So we will do that in a bit. So this one was called The Bright Side, and we can definitely understand why. It is full of a lot of bright colors. Now, I am not making a card today, today I get to go to school with my granddaughter. I'm very excited. Believe it or not, they are on their last day of school before Christmas break. Where did the time go? It's just flying by. It's incredible how fast it's going. I will be posting a video on Tuesday, and then I'm going to take a little bit of time, of course, for friends and families and holiday cheer. So, if you are not going to be here on Tuesday, I wish you the merriest of Christmas. I hope that you are able to relax and have fun with friends and family. And I hope that wherever you are, whether you celebrate Christmas or not, you get some time to do what makes you happy. Take care, and I will see you in whatever comes next. Bye.